esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can fund your BYBIT app account with this tree method. Okay, before we start, make sure you have a network connection. Make sure you have a verified BYBIT account, and let's dodge into it. So let me look at my BYBIT. I have a BYBIT account already. Okay, so let's wait for it to load up. Here we are, it has already loaded up. So if you can look at the dashboard, you can see a lot of things. You can see BYBIT ends, NFT, cards, reward hub, invite, but I will talk about those ones later. What brought me here right now is how to fund a BYBIT account using a tree method. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, go to your assets down here. So if you go to your asset, there is what we call a deposit. Okay, this is what we call a deposit. So you click on this deposit. If you click on this deposit, the first thing that came into this place is deposit crypto. So already have a crypto, deposit directly. And the second one here says deposit by NGN, and the third one here say deposit P2P, and this one is zero fee. No one charges you for that. So let's start looking out from the first one, deposit crypto. So in this very place, you can deposit any crypto of your choice that is available on BYBIT and also available on that very app that you want to move from to this BYBIT account. Okay, so but the most famous mode of depositing that we know mostly is depositing by USDT. Okay, you come to this place now and search for USDT. Okay, now this is USDT. Okay, and most thing I advise is that once you copy your address, also put your eyes on the network. The network of this address is TRC20. So if you are depositing on it from another wallet, and if that wallet is BEP20, it will not work. Take note of this network, TRC20. So the next thing that you just need to do, you click on this sign of copy, or you copy this address from here and take it to another app or another website that you want to use in funding this very depositing address. Then you take it there and fund it, and your money will reflect on your account. Okay, so let's see, the second mode of depositing is by NGN. The only reason why it's showing me this NGN is because I'm doing this from Nigeria. So the second mode of depositing is by using your local currency, your fiat. Okay, click here. Let me use my local currency, which is NGN. Okay, in this place now, you can put any amount that you want. Maybe I want to fund with 20k. You see, you have seen your charges, right? You have seen your charges. So maybe I want to fund with 20k, and you have seen it. So the next thing that you just need to do is click on next. Okay, the next thing that you just need to do, you click on next. If you click on next, then you make your choice. Okay, are you paying through bank transfer, or are you paying through Skrill? Okay, Skrill charges 1 USDT, bank as well charges 1 USDT. The only people that does not charge here is peer-to-peer transaction. Peer-to-peer transaction does not charge a dime. Okay, so you have seen it in this place. You make a choice of how you want to pay. Okay, how you want to buy the USDT. That is it. So the third one we're going to look at is peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, I have made a video about these peer-to-peer transactions. I've made a video. So if you don't know how to run these particular peer-to-peer transactions on BYBIT, there's a video that will show it to you. Okay, so this is how it is, and this brings us to the end of the video. And before I go, this peer-to-peer transaction, you know what it is. You just click on, you send money, they send it to you. And if you don't know how to do it, I'll drop a link that you can watch such video. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. If you have any question, do well to drop it at the comment section, and I will get to you, as soon as possible. And if you have not subscribed or like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and as well like my video, and don't forget also to share my video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.